梅林迪奥德公水草。
Welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. In this video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the top attractions, luxurious hotels, must-see sights, and local delicacies that you absolutely can't miss. Really quick, before we jump in, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to help support the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by to check out this video. Okay, with that being said, here we go. First up, the main attraction is Niagara Falls. Experience the awe-inspiring power of the falls from various viewpoints. Don't miss the iconic Made of the Mist boat tour. This is a must-do experience. This is where you'll get up close and personal with the roaring waters. Hear the roar of 600,000 gallons of water crashing down around you every second. Feel the mist as it drenches everything in its path, including yourself. You will definitely not leave this exciting boat tour dry. For a unique perspective, head to the Cave of the Winds, where you can feel the mist on your face as you walk along wooden platforms near the Bridal Veil Falls. For thrill seekers, Niagara Falls offers a plethora of adventure activities. Try the Whirlpool Aero Car, an antique cable car that takes you over the swirling Niagara Whirlpool. If you're a fan of heights, the Niagara Skywheel provides panoramic views and is a totally unique sightseeing opportunity. As one of Canada's largest observation wheels, the Skywheel towers over the Niagara Falls horizon, treating guests to unsurpassed views of the Horseshoe and American Falls, the Niagara River, and Niagara Parks. Don't forget to visit Whitewater Walk to experience the awe-inspiring power of nature. Marvel at the raw power and breathtaking beauty as trillions of gallons of water rush through the deep, narrow Great Gorge. Walk along the boardwalk at the edge of one of the world's wildest whitewater stretches. Witness firsthand how this natural wonder was created. It's an unforgettable sight that will truly take your breath away. After a day of exploring, unwind in one of the luxurious hotels on the United States side of Niagara Falls. Sheraton Niagara Falls, located at 303rd Street, Niagara Falls, New York. This hotel offers stunning views of the falls right from your room. The spacious and elegantly appointed rooms and suites are designed for maximum comfort, featuring modern decor and large windows that frame breathtaking views of the falls and the city. Choose from a range of room types, including deluxe rooms, club-level rooms, with exclusive access to the Sheraton Club Lounge, and luxurious suites with separate living areas for added space and comfort. The hotel also features an on-site rainforest cafe where you can enjoy dining amidst lush, tropical surroundings, as well as an indoor pool perfect for relaxing after a day of exploration. Conveniently located near popular attractions, including Niagara Falls State Park, the Sheraton Niagara Falls is an ideal choice for travelers seeking both comfort and convenience. If you are feeling lucky, check out Seneca Niagara Resort and Casino, which is located at 310 4th Street, Niagara Falls, New York. This hotel offers a luxurious experience with a full-service casino, a variety of dining options, a spa, and an indoor pool. The rooms are spacious and elegantly decorated, providing guests with a comfortable and relaxing stay. If you enjoy history, check out the Giacomo, located at 222 1st Street, Niagara Falls, New York. It was built in 1929 and was erected as a towering achievement of Art Deco architecture and renamed the Giacomo in 2010 and listed on the National Register of Historic Places. This boutique hotel combines historic charm with modern comforts. It features beautifully decorated rooms with fireplaces in select rooms, and a complimentary breakfast. Visit the Sky View Lounge, located on the 19th floor. The Giacomo is within walking distance of many attractions, including the falls and the Niagara Falls State Park. Beyond the falls, there's plenty to see and do in Niagara Falls. Explore the Niagara Park's botanical gardens and its beautiful butterfly conservatory. Visit the Niagara Falls History Museum to learn about the rich history of the area. And don't miss the chance to stroll down Clifton Hill, known as the Street of Fun, filled with arcades, museums, and entertainment options for the whole family. No trip to Niagara Falls is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Start your culinary journey at Wine Cellar, a farm-to-table restaurant with a focus on local ingredients. For a taste of Italy, visit Napoli Ristorante and Pizzeria. Known for its delicious pizzas and pasta dishes, and is all about fresh ingredients, old family recipes, a passion for food. If you're in the mood for something sweet, don't miss the Fudge Factory on Clifton Hill's Street of Fun in Niagara Falls, Ontario. This delightful spot will have your mouth watering as you watch chocolate and candy being crafted into all the indulgent treats your sweet tooth desires. Enjoy some freshly made fudge while taking in the captivating process. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Thank you so much for watching. Happy traveling, and see you in the next video.